Imagine a moment so profound that it stretches the very limits of your understanding. Picture Earth, our beautiful blue planet, drawn inexorably into the vast maw of a black hole. What becomes of everything we know? Are we simply erased from existence, or is there something more? You might be wondering how such a cosmic disaster could unfold, and what it truly means for life as we know it. Well, stick around, because we're about to explore the unimaginable consequences of Earth crossing the event horizon of a black hole, a journey that blends heart-pounding curiosity with mind-bending science. First, let's establish what a black hole really is. At its heart, a black hole is a region of space where gravitational pull is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape. Its precipice, the event horizon, is like the edge of a cosmic abyss, the point of no return. Once something crosses this threshold, it is doomed to be swallowed whole by the black hole's gravitational grasp. Can you imagine that? Our entire planet, everything we hold dear, spiraling towards such a fate. The very thought is dizzying. Now, before we delve deeper, it's crucial to understand how we arrived at this cosmic catastrophe. Many scientists believe that black holes are formed when massive stars exhaust their nuclear fuel, collapse under their gravity, and implore the fabric of space and time to twist into a singularity. What if, against all odds, a rogue black hole, perhaps one formed in the heart of a distant galaxy, were to wander into our solar system, disrupt the delicate harmony of gravitational forces, and pull Earth towards it? You might be surprised to learn that such an occurrence isn't entirely impossible. The universe is filled with unknown variables, and black holes can, indeed, drift through space. However, don't panic just yet. For now, let's indulge in this thought experiment and peer into what might occur if Earth crossed a black hole's event horizon. As Earth approached the black hole, the first sign of impending doom wouldn't be a violent shake but rather a strange calm. But that tranquility would be short-lived. As we drew closer, tidal forces would start to stretch our planet, a phenomenon scientists call spaghettification. It sounds almost whimsical, doesn't it? But don't be fooled. The gravitational difference between the side of Earth facing the black hole and the side facing away would pull the planet apart like a piece of spaghetti being slowly elongated. Here's something you didn't expect. At approximately 100,000 kilometers from the black hole, Earth would strain under these immense tidal forces, breaking apart and scattering its contents into the void. Oceans would boil away, land masses would shatter, and all forms of life would meet an end so swift it would be beyond comprehension. If you thought Earth's encounter with an asteroid or a supervolcanic eruption was detrimental, witnessing the disintegration of our planet due to the relentless pull of a black hole would be unprecedented. But let's not stop there. What comes next will leave you speechless. Once Earth is torn apart, the remnants would spiral toward the black hole, disintegrating entirely as they cross the event horizon. Interestingly, something fascinating happens here in the realm of physics. According to general relativity, once an object crosses this threshold, it cannot return to the observable universe, altering the fabric of existence and time as we know it. This means that the very moment of crossing the event horizon heralds a new reality. Everything about our planet would be erased from the timeline, leaving behind only the echoes of what once was. And yet, wait. Here's the twist: if you were somehow on Earth at that moment, what would it feel like to cross the event horizon? You might assume it would be instantaneous chaos. But the reality is far stranger. As you approach the point of no return, the gravitational forces of the black hole would cause time to stretch and warp due to the effects of relativity. To an outside observer, it might appear as though you're frozen in time at the event horizon, suspended in a beautiful, eternal moment. You may be wondering, what about the light? What about the stars? Observers far away would witness the last moments of Earth, a radiant flash as the planet's energy is consumed by the black hole. The energy released might echo through the cosmos, a brief but powerful display of colors emitted as Earth joins the vast sea of entropy surrounding the cosmic giant. And yet, Earth itself, along with its inhabitants, would become untraceable, a lost story in the endless pages of the universe. But it doesn't end as cleanly as you might think. You see, black holes intrigue scientists with their gravitational singularities, but they also raise questions about what occurs on the other side of an event horizon. What lies beyond? Is it a portal to another universe? A gateway to dimensions beyond our comprehension? Pondering such questions invokes a sense of wonder. We're faced with mysteries that span the fabric of reality itself. Are you ready for the next revelation? Some physicists theorize that particles that fall beyond the event horizon may not be completely obliterated. Instead, they could contribute to a process known as Hawking radiation. Imagine if, against all odds, some remnants of Earth could emit weak radiation, leaking information back into the cosmos. Could it be that everything entering the black hole might leave a trace? This idea might open a fascinating dialogue about the preservation of information in the universe, challenging our conception of death and erasure. Now, let's infuse a sense of urgency into this cosmic tale. The enormity of losing Earth, our home, evokes deep emotions, fear, sadness, but also an appreciation for the fragility of life and existence. If you could write a final message to the universe, what would it be? Would it be a plea for understanding, a wonder about life itself, or an expression of hope that something of Earth would transcend even the harsh realities of a cosmic death? At its essence, exploring the idea of Earth entering a black hole is about confronting our limitations and embracing our curiosity about the universe. What happens when we confront the implications of such annihilation? Do we find despair, or do we find wonder in the complexity of our existence? And there's more to contemplate. What if we consider the parallel realms in which such a scenario plays out? What if we theorize about the possibility of multiple universes, each with its own realities? If Earth were lost in one, could life perpetuate in another, joining multitudes of experiences, sensations, and stories? As our thoughts spiral like celestial bodies around a black hole, let's consider how this theoretical cataclysm reflects our behavior right now. Are there cosmic black holes in our lives, things we fear, thoughts that pull us in and consume our mental energy? What lessons can we draw from this metaphor about attachment, letting go, and the fragility of our existence? Now, we've only touched the surface of this vast topic, and parts of it are mind-bending, as we unravel the implications of Earth crossing the event horizon. I invite you to join me as we take this voyage deeper and explore not only what happens when we approach a black hole, but also confront the possibilities and mysteries embedded in our own existence. In the next segment, we'll dive into the mechanics of black holes, explore first-hand accounts from scientists, and delve into advanced theories surrounding time, space, and the universe. So, stay tuned as we push the boundaries of understanding and seek to answer the questions that keep us looking up at the night sky, pondering what lies beyond. The journey is just beginning, and the discoveries ahead may be even more astonishing than where we've been. As we prepare to plunge deeper into this cosmic exploration, it's important to revisit the captivating mechanics that govern black holes. Our journey into their mysterious depths requires a foundation of scientific principles, coupled with awe and curiosity, two forces that have driven humanity's quest for knowledge throughout history. First, let's examine the two types of black holes that perch in the cosmos: stellar black holes and supermassive black holes. Stellar black holes, formed from the remnants of massive stars, typically have masses between 3 to several tens of solar masses. These extraordinary entities arise when a star undergoes gravitational collapse at the end of its life cycle, resulting in a gravitational field strong enough to trap all light. In contrast, supermassive black holes lurk at the centers of galaxies, boasting masses equivalent to millions or even billions of suns. The Milky Way itself is home to a supermassive black hole named Sagittarius A*, an intriguing giant that captivates astronomers with its enigmatic behavior. The study of black holes is intertwined with our understanding of relativity. Einstein's theories about gravity and spacetime have paved the way for this captivating exploration. According to general relativity, massive objects warp the fabric of space-time around them, leading to the phenomenon of gravitational attraction. This explains why anything falling toward a black hole experiences acceleration, and as we just discussed, everything that crosses the event horizon is effectively lost to our observable universe. But what does it mean for the remaining matter around a black hole? This brings us to a phenomenon known as the accretion disk. As matter spirals into a black hole, it forms a swirling disk composed of gas, dust, and other debris. Friction and gravitational forces within the disk heat up this matter, creating a fervent glow that emits X-rays and other radiation, photon signals detectable from billions of light years away. This light provides us with critical data about black holes, allowing astronomers to discern their existence and properties without needing to see them directly. The images and observations gathered through decades of research have transformed our understanding of these mysterious entities. In April 2019, the Event Horizon Telescope (EHT) project unveiled the first-ever image of a black hole, capturing the silhouette of the supermassive black hole at the center of the galaxy M87. This groundbreaking achievement sparked immense excitement and brought black holes out of the realm of theoretical physics and into the eyes of the public. It showed us that we could indeed peer into the shadows of these cosmic giants. So, how does the journey through the event horizon unfold in greater detail? Imagine you're aboard a spacecraft witnessing this surreal phenomenon. As your vessel nears the event horizon, the gravitational forces exerted by the black hole begin to warp the light around you, an effect known as gravitational lensing. The stars in the background compress toward the edges of your field of vision, creating an ethereal panorama that feels both familiar and alien at once. As you approach that point of no return, you might experience a sensation of time elongating. Time, as perceived by your senses, would slightly differ from time as measured by an observer far away from the black hole. This intricate dance of space-time introduces a deeply personal existential conundrum. If you were to drift into the void, how would you experience your own demise compared to those watching from afar? Engaging with these concepts reveals fundamental truths about our own existence. With each tick of the clock as you approach the event horizon, you find yourself enveloped by the mystique of relativity. It becomes clear that time is not a uniform experience for all observers. The reality becomes less about spatial coordinates and more about one's perspective on existence itself, each moment stretching, warping, and transforming into something incomprehensible. As you look back at the universe you once knew, feelings of disbelief may wash over you. Are you really witnessing the end of Earth as you know it? It prompts curiosity about what that final chapter of existence would embody. Would there be fear or acceptance? Would Earth's inhabitants, in their final moments, realize the beauty of existence, reflecting on love and life while cradled by the cosmos? In that brief moment, the culmination of all human experience, the laughter, the arts, the struggles, and growth hummed quietly against the backdrop of the universe. Would it resonate with a flicker of nostalgia, or would it simply vanish as consciousness fades? Part of the allure of black holes lies in their dimension-bending nature. As we consider the possibility of alternate realities, a multiverse in which every choice branches into new outcomes, our imagination takes flight. Could crossing the event horizon lead us not to a singular end, but to a transformation into another realm? The notion that black holes could act as conduits to other universes or dimensions, however speculative, invites us to ponder the endless possibilities of existence. It encourages conversations about creation and annihilation, emotions and intellect, weaving them into the very fabric of the cosmos. And what lies on the other side of this extraordinary phenomenon? Some physicists contemplate the paradox of information loss in black holes. According to quantum mechanics, information cannot simply disappear, it must be preserved in some form. The connection between black holes and quantum mechanics brings us to Hawking radiation, a theoretical prediction by physicist Stephen Hawking, suggesting that black holes can emit radiation due to quantum effects near the event horizon. This radiation allows for the possibility of energy leaking back into the universe, echoes of what once was. Perhaps the essence of Earth, fragmented and reconstituted in some form, persists within the cosmic tapestry. The conversation introduces questions of creation and destruction, how the universe recycles matter and energy in cycles both grand and minuscule. As we step back from these theoretical inquiries, we might ask ourselves how our relationship to the cosmos influences our day-to-day lives. Black holes can serve as profound metaphors for the challenges and uncertainties we face. By contemplating the existence of a cosmic monster that could erase entire worlds, we confront our anxieties, unraveling the fabric of control that sustains our existence. What are the black holes in our lives? What fears or limiting beliefs do we allow to consume us? Such reflections lead to a deeper appreciation for the fragility of our experiences. Our time on Earth, sparkling and vibrant, is indeed temporary. It harbors beauty, pain, exploration, and connection. Recognizing the fleeting nature of our journey encourages a sense of urgency to embrace life, to cherish every fleeting moment, and to foster connections with one another. It challenges us to dismantle the barriers we create, fostering understanding and empathy in the face of an impermanent world. As we approach the conclusion of our exploration, we must return to the significance of the questions we've grappled with. Earth crossing a black hole's event horizon might seem like an event tethered solely to the realm of theoretical physics, yet it underlines deeper existential themes. It speaks to our innate human curiosity about existence, consciousness, and purpose, timeless inquiries that guide our most profound philosophical and spiritual reflections. In embracing the wonders of the universe, from the observable and quantifiable to the elusive and speculative, we allow our imaginations to flourish. As you look up at the night sky, remember that every twinkle represents not only distant suns but also the stories, dreams, and mysteries woven into the cosmos. So, what follows next? As you embark on your own journey through life, let curiosity guide you. Look for moments of wonder, stay open to the unknown, and always be willing to confront the complexities of existence. As we peer into the depths of time, space, and everything in between, let the notion of black holes, and what they signify, inspire you to mold your experiences. As our cosmic voyage comes to an end, let us carry this exploration within us as we seek to unearth the richness of existence, an adventure destined to continue evolving in every individual narrative, a testament to our timeless quest for understanding in a universe infinitely larger than ourselves. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and may the mysteries of the cosmos continue to inspire and illuminate your path.